can we do?
Remain with Ratchet.
Aww.
You want me to not only bridge you into a confined space, but one traveling at 90 miles per hour? I can't even count the number of ways that can go wrong. Mass displacement trauma, twisted limbs, metal burn. Well, maybe not the last one.
Special Agent William Fowler. I'm currently on an intensive training retreat and unavailable until Tuesday.
I hate talking to machines. Hooah! Come on, Bo. Come at me.
I don't want to hurt you, Ratch.
I said, come at me. How's it humming?